friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off auto record calls on Samsung mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. At first you have to move on call app. Then from here on the app side you are going to find the three dots, so you have to click on this three dot. Here it is. Okay, then here you are going to find the setting option, so move on setting. Then from here you are going to find the record call, so you have to click on it, and after you have been click on it you are going to find the auto record calls. Okay, so if you want to on this auto record calls, you just click on this icon like this, and here the auto record calls will be activated. Okay, and if you want to off this auto record calls, you just click on this icon again, and here this auto record calls will be set off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.